Hi viewers, welcome to everyone. Welcome to my channel Healthy Food Recipes. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today I am showing another healthy food recipe. That is oats khichdi. Let's start the uh, recipe now. First of all, on the stove and put the cooker on the stove. Take 1 tablespoon of oil in this one. Heat the oil now. After heating, we will add the vegetables. For this oats khichdi recipe, we need 3 by 4 cup of oats, 1 cup of moong dal. I soaked that moong dal in water for half an hour, and 1 big tomato, half cup of cabbage, and some green peas, 1 big onion, 1 big capsicum, and 3 cups of water. Salt. After heating the oil, now the oil become heated. Now we are adding the onions to this one. Till golden brown color, we fry the onions. Salt the onions in the oil. The oats are very rich in fiber content, useful for the constipation patients, easily will digest. In these oats we are having a complex carbohydrates. They will break down very slowly, break down the sugars, the glucose break down the sugars very slowly. So it's a perfect and complete meal you can take in dinner or in lunch also. Who are doing the diet plan, very useful for them. Weight loss, you can prefer this recipe for weight loss who are doing the diet plans. After our onions are fried, then we are adding the capsicum to this one, and then tomato, the green peas, one by one. We should add all the vegetables. Whatever vegetables you are having, you like, you can add that vegetables in the khichdi. I am having these vegetables in my home, so I am adding this one. If you are having the groundnuts, peanuts, carrots, you can add that vegetables also instead of this. Whatever vegetables, any vegetables you can add for this khichdi. Now cook all the vegetables a little, not fully cooked, half boiled. Just mix all the vegetables and cook for 1 minute. Add some salt to this one, to this vegetables. I am using this red color salt, that is rock salt, instead of white salt. So add a little bit of salt. Now mix well all the vegetables. This recipe is very high nutritious value. In dal we are having the whatever lentils you are taking, like tur dal, urid dal, moong dal. Proteins are very rich in the lentils. So in your daily diet, add the lentils, add dals to your meals in your food. We are very high. We are adding all types. We are taking all types of vegetables. So we are getting a sufficient nutrients in this one to our body. All nutrients we are getting in balanced amount. Now we are adding the soaked moong dal. 1 cup of moong dal to this one. In this we are not adding any masalas. This is a diet recipe and healthy food recipe. We should not take more masalas to our body, so it's not good for our health. This is very healthy food, so very rich in nutrients. Nutrition value is very much higher in this one, in this recipe. Mix all the vegetables and the dal also. Then after last we are adding the oats. 3/4 cup of oats I am adding to this one. And mix the oats also. 1 minute mix all the vegetables and oats. Frying these vegetables. If you take in this recipe in dinner, in the morning if you wake up, you will get the fresh mind. Your mind will become very fresh, not very congested or not very become easy. Easily it will digest it. So many people want to become slim and want to do the diet plan, but they don't know how to do. They know oats are the very for the losing the weight. Oats are useful for this I am adding. After 2 minutes cooking the oats, mixing in the vegetables, I am adding 2 cups of 2 cups of water for this one. Now mix all the ingredients, mix thoroughly. It's very fast and easy recipe also. It takes only 15 minutes to do this recipe. Try it and tell the taste how it is in the comment section. Now keep the lid and keep the flame a medium flame. Put the flame to medium and bring to 2 whistles. Then off the stove, our khichdi, oats khichdi will be prepared, will be ready. Our oats khichdi is tasty oats khichdi is ready. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.